This week my recipe is all about seasonal new potatoes. Now of course you can just have these boiled with lots of really nice butter and they'll be amazing, but this is just a recipe to really fancy them up and bring out the best in them. So I'm gonna start off by boiling them until you can easily insert a knife into it. Then in a baking sheet I'm having butter, oil. I'm gonna warm that up in the oven or air fryer until it's smoking hot. Then I'm gonna toss those boiled potatoes in there, coat them evenly in the oil, and then I'm going to squash them or crush them either with a potato masher or a fork until you're kind of just creating more surface area that's going to get crisped up. And they go back in the oven or air fryer until they're lovely golden brown and crispy. And these are so delicious. You can have them with just some garlic, some seasoning, season them with lots of salt, and just hear that crunch, and you've got that flavor of the new potatoes that are just sweeter and nuttier and delicious. I'm going to turn those into a salad though, and I'm going to use other seasonal veg. So I've got some spinach, which I'm just wilting in the pan, squeezing out the excess water and seasoning with some lemon juice, salt, and a bit of extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm going to use some radishes. I'm just going to slice those super thinly to go on top of my salad. Finally, I've got some spring onions because it's of course a spring, and I'm just going to again thinly slice those, the greens and the whites. And then just time to assemble, kind of layering this like nachos with my crispy potatoes, spinach, radish, spring onions, crème fraîche, some dill, and then I'm using some lumpfish roe, which is kind of like cheap man's caviar, which goes really well with potatoes and crème fraîche as well. And that's done. You can serve it as a starter, as a side dish, and it just looks super fancy, tastes amazing, but comes together really easily.